Yo, what a way to start it off, my dude. That was close, but sometimes I get lucky like that. Talk about first pack luck, dude. Whoop, right up next to that thing. Okay, so I guess that's warm up enough. So the trick tutorial is beginner friendly, and then I'll show some kind of more intermediate advanced variations on it. So it's a look back, which is when you're cruising, you hit a gap of some sort here, look back. Notice the quad is at an angle, but the camera is straight, and then you drift for a bit, and you can either flip back here, you can do like this and yaw forward, and those are the variations. And then it's another variation would be the juicy flick, which is when you go forward to look back and then yaw out of it. So we're gonna start with just this basic first maneuver, okay, and drifting. Then I'm gonna add the roll in, okay, and then you see you're gonna need to exit out of it because you'll be facing like this after you roll. So yaw, you could do whatever, just you'll get that as you play with it more and more and get more comfortable. So let's just get into it right now, change the pack, and let's do it. So a really cool thing about these brain boards that I use is that you can, I'm gonna go ahead and put a stick overlay in the OSD, show sticks, mode 2. Yeah, mode 2. Okay, so you can do all kind of stuff, speed, altitude, spectrograph, show your HD camera framing. Yeah, so a little plug for Brain, FPV, love them. Best flight controllers in the game. We're gonna save and reboot, and my stick should be there. Yep, there's my sticks. Okay, I wish that run cam info wasn't there, but I didn't bring the controller to edit that. So now we're gonna actually go ahead and get into it. So let's do it. Look back, basic version. So what I didn't mention is you're gonna need to do obviously a blip of throttle right before you do it. Okay, so you saw that when I got to the edge of the tree line, I blipped the throttle and I pitched down till I was about, that was horrible, till I was, here we go, till I was about even. So we're gonna do it one more time, no playing around. So you wanna get some height, I guess, at the beginning. It does look really cool close to the ground, but as with everything, it's gonna be risky. So we're going, punch, look, and exit how you want. Okay, one more time. Here we go, going through, blip of throttle, look back, roll out. You saw I got really high, so it's really safe at that height to play around, to delay it or whatever, but this is what it looks like in practice. So you want to get some pre-speed, blip, look back, and then you're outie. Great, bro. This quad is a beast. This is a beater that I have. It's really light, uses the session. I don't want to jinx it. So cruising, part of the freestyle, look back. That one was like a half blip of throttle. So you don't have to go ape on the throttle. You can go like that and keep it chill and then come out of it. Here's a variation on it, cruising, double spin, yaw out. I think Vic does that a lot, where he'll go, you can try this in an open field, you know, just get that, go up a little bit. I think this is actually how I learned it, because not so long ago I was a total noob. So cruising, and I would do like that, and then I would just flick back down. There you go. Yeah, definitely start, get an open field, cruising forward, look back, practice getting that stick length, the muscle memory for how far you need to move your stick. See, that was a little sloppy, but just do that a couple times. Boom, you could go slow with it, fast with it, then even add the roll, and then get an object. So don't just go gung-ho with an object right from the beginning. Let's swap packs. I don't know why these are running out so quick. 3.5 minutes. Not bad. I bet you that's the Talon. Yep. If you're too scared to roll out of it and be going backwards, you can do this and just go forward again. That's actually how I would recommend you to start. Is just cruise, look back, boom, look forward. Look back, that was close, roll out. So practice those two, and then eventually, obviously, you want to be able to like yaw out of it like this, which will help you with the juicy flick, which is, I'll just throw that in real quick because I'm not gonna, that's a little bit of a finesse move and it's hard to kind of explain. It needs its whole own video. Joshua Bardwell did a good one. So here it is. Okay, so you're basically flicking forward, but in a kind of juicy way, I guess is the only way to explain it. You're kind of slowly, you go back, and see, the more you try to explain something like this, the more weird it's gonna look, the weirder it's gonna look, because now I'm thinking about it too much. So it's just a flick and a kind of roll situation. You kind of want to throw yourself forward without gaining altitude. So that's what my problem is right here. Let's do one more. Kind of like that, but not really. So forget about the juicy flick for now. I'll have to think of a way to articulate it better. So yeah, that's the basic move. You want to just look back, look forward. Then you want to look back, roll, yaw, and practice it under objects. Holy shit. Practicing under objects is great, and gaps is even better. I have no idea what's going on with my telemetry. That just kind of started happening, I think yesterday. It's FR Sky, so could be literally anything. Okay, so here we go. There's a gap right here, right? Not a lot of space to accomplish it. Okay, so you get it. That's it. That is the look back in 2 packs. So I think one thing that I'm not doing right now, because of the way these tree lines are, is I'm not really holding it like that, and that's when it kind of starts looking cooler. You have to kind of make sure you don't clip the branches and stuff, because it does take a lot of throttle, or make sure you have enough speed. You see, and that looks cool. And then make sure afterward you practice rolling out of it and all that. So that's it. That's the look back. If you guys don't follow me on Patreon, please do so. The first giveaway was already been done. I do giveaways every 2 weeks. I'm giving away a full built quad tuned by me once I hit 30 patrons. I'm at 10 right now. And let me unplug the quad before it eats my face. So here are the patrons that get a shout out, level 2 and higher. We got Matt, Marianne, we got Smath Hayden, we got Lawrence Sullivan, Isaac, John Henderson, we got Propaganda, who won a Foxier Monster Micro Pro, we got JP Williams, the homie, we have Anatoly Gorsky. Thank you guys for signing up. I appreciate it a lot. You're gonna help me put out these videos. I'm gonna try to put out at least 2 videos a week this year, and hopefully going forward. So support me on Patreon. You know, let me know what you want to see, and good luck with the trick. Peace. Ice Cream Man's here.